Hey guys, welcome back to Donald Miller's Electrical Services. So I just wanted to clear some things up here. So when I dig into a box on the first floor, on the second floor, if the contractor did the whole house, I can tell the quality of the work from one or two boxes. You know, I can basically see what is he going to do with his neutrals? How is he going to take care of his neutrals? Is he messy? Is he not messy? What is he doing with the hot conductors? What is he doing with the travelers? What is he doing with switch legs? Based on one or two boxes, I can anticipate what he's going to do for the rest of the house. This guy's already burying boxes, so red flags are up. You know, I'm ready. I'm looking. So all the interior switch legs, fixtures, are all still knob and tube. That's the hardest part of knob and tube to rewire, is the lighting. Outlets, if it's balloon frame, wrap up around the balloon framing. If it's not balloon frame, go into the attic, fish down the sidewalls. You might not get so much damage. Like, the outlets are a lot easier to rewire than switches and the three-ways, just because of how much time is invested into bringing a feed down to the switch box, back up, over to the light fixture. It's easier, just one wire to an outlet, done. So this guy brought feeds up, and it looks like he got lazy. And he's like, oh, I'll bring the feeds up to the second floor, and then I'm going to bury boxes. And that's exactly what he's been doing. He's burying boxes in blown insulation, because no one likes dealing with blown insulation, especially if it's older. So as you kind of uncover things, I'm finding more and more. So these are the wires that I'm actually running. These are my new Romex wires. This is the lighting on the second floor. See this cloth wire? I dug that up. Okay, I had to remove a couple floor, the original floors, which are actually pretty nice for an attic. And this is what I'm finding. Good old junction boxes. So, now that we're doing illegal stuff, once when you do one illegal thing, you might as well just keep with it. And here we go. So, besides the fact that the junction box isn't installed correctly, here it is. So it's not mounted, just kind of dangling. So now we have this cloth wire. Now I want to open this up, and I haven't had a chance to, so just bear with me. We're going to do it together. All right, and I'm going to see what this guy's all about. So let's find out how ugly his boxes are. All right, I'm gonna do this with, I gotta put my knees in the right spot. Let's see, I'll put my headlamp on. There we go. It's hard to hold a phone and do this, but we're gonna get it done. And we're gonna open this up, and I'm gonna see what it looks like and just judge it with you on the phone here. All right, so this guy's using a green wire nut for a hot conductor. Shit, sorry. Let me, here you guys go. So, all right, so this is what I mean by, if a guy's gonna break one rule, he's not gonna stop. Like, he was too freaking lazy to go downstairs and to get the right wire nut out of the truck.